Hello, this is Joyce Tait. Please hit subscribe below and you will be amazed at the fact that you can get a lot of information out of me for free. That's right, folks. You don't have to wait till the end of a 30, 40, 50-minute video to get my secrets. I'll tell you them now because I've listened to all of those videos and I'm sick and tired of them. Get to the point, right? I mean, seriously. If I have to listen to another video and then click below so that I can go to their site and pay them to tell me the rest of the story, I've had enough with that. Now, you can subscribe to my page and I'll tell you what I've learned for free. And I'll also put it into practice so that you can see me living life in the raw. What am I going to do? I'm going to lose weight for one. I'm going to exercise and eat right. How am I going to eat right? I'll tell you because that's what I've learned. And I may just show you how to use essential oils in your life. Oops, that might be the secret of you might have to buy something because when you see me living life with essential oils, you're just going to have to go get them yourself. I'm feeling a little emotional right now and like unsure of myself, so I'm using some oils already. So. Oh, yes. Now I can do this. You know, now I can do this. Yeah, I can. Now I thought I turned it off.